Hi viewers, welcome to Subbu's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to prepare the Kozhukattai Maavu outer cover. We can make many different varieties of fillings for Kozhukattai. For all varieties of Kozhukattai, the outer cover dough is most important. Making soft outer cover is an important aspect in Kozhukattai. If the outer cover is soft, then only we can enjoy the taste of the filling. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this rice flour dough for Kozhukattai in a traditional and conventional way. This conventional way of making the outer cover dough makes the Kozhukattai really very soft. Let's take a look on the ingredients and also let's see what are the tips we need to follow to make this dough and the outer cover really soft. Let's take a look on the ingredients. In a bowl, add a cup of rice and add water to soak the rice and set it aside for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, drain the water and spread a clean white towel and then spread the rice nicely so that the moisture gets absorbed by the towel. Leave it aside for 10 minutes for this rice to get dried up. If you are grinding this dried rice in a mill, and then you can allow the rice to dry it completely. But if you are grinding it in a mixer jar, then allow it to be 90 or 95% dry. A little dampness in the rice helps to get smooth rice flour if we grinding it in the mixer jar in home. Now the rice is ready. We have little dampness, at the same time 90% of the moisture is absorbed. Take a mixture jar and add half of this dried rice and then we are going to grind it to a smooth rice flour. Grind it in intervals so that there are no lumps. Once we grind it to a nice and smooth flour, we need to pass it through the sieve at least twice so that we are getting only the smooth rice flour from it. If we have lumps left out in the sieve, then we can add that again to the mixer jar and give a pulse or two and grind it again to a smooth flour. Repeat this process till you finish up all the dried rice. The smooth rice flour is ready. Heat a pan and add 3/4 cup of water and 1/4 cup of milk and then bring it to boil. Milk is optional. We can add 1 cup of water instead of milk. Add a pinch of salt and a tablespoon of gingerly oil to this mixture and bring this to boil. My mom used to say that adding milk makes the outer cover really nice and white. When this mixture starts to boil, we need to add the homemade rice flour little by little and we need to start mixing with this water. Keep mixing the rice flour and the water and the milk mixture in low flame till you get a nice and smooth dough. Switch off the flame and allow it to cool and then you can use your hands to knead it nicely to a soft and smooth dough like this. Now the Kozhukattai Maavu outer cover is all ready. We can make any variety of filling and we can get a soft and smooth Kozhukattai with this outer dough. I'll meet you all soon with another interesting recipe. Please subscribe this channel for more upcoming recipes. Thank you.